To my class, let's quickly rush through this question. And the question says the atomic number of an element is 17. It has different atoms containing 18 electrons and 20 neutrons with atomic abundance of 75% and 25% respectively. Calculate the relative atomic mass. So if you check the question, you will see that this question is talking about isotopy, isotopes of an element. So the element involved here is isotopic in nature. So when we are going to calculate or get the mass number of the element when its relative abundance is 75. So mass number 10 plus 35. Then the second step is to get the mass number of the atom with 25%. Mass number 10. So this will give us 17. Remember, 17 is constant here because 17 is the atomic number. What differs is the mass number. So in this case, it simply means that the mass number of this element in question is 35 and 37. But this element has the same atomic number of 17 and 17. So if such is the case, it is now very easy for us to calculate the relative atomic mass of this element. So how do we do this? To do this, all we got to do is to multiply 5, or in bracket plus, we have 25 over. So this is what we have. If we go by our calculator, look at what we have: 25 plus, we're going to have here 25.25. So if you add the 0.5, so the relative atomic mass of this very particular element is 35.5. And we can suspect chlorine because chlorine has the relative atomic mass of 35.5. See you in my next class, and bye-bye.